Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel if you are new here, and if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for all of your support. In today's video, we are going to do a little unboxing first impressions of the new Kayali Lychee perfume that just released. So if you want to get my take on it, then please continue to watch. I am so excited for this perfume unboxing. I'm usually not a proponent of blind buying fragrances, but something about Kayali, they keep getting me because I blind bought the Eden Juicy Apple, and it's one of my favorite fragrances, especially to layer to add a little bit of happiness to any perfume that you're wearing. It's really great for layering. So when they released this one and I read the notes, I just had to get it. So I'm really excited to spray it and to see what is inside this beautiful packaging. So we're just gonna jump right into it. You can tell I was excited and ready, like I have the matching, in case you didn't notice that. So let's go ahead and get right into this. I do want to mention the notes on this particular fragrance. It has black currant, sparkling lychee, rose, candy violet, sugar, amber, and also sandalwood. Okay, so here is the gorgeous packaging. It looks like a really pretty peach color, and all of Kayali's packaging looks like this. It's supposed to look like a faceted jewel, and this is available in 4 different sizes. So you can get the 10 ml, which looks just like this. It's shaped like this, but then there's also a 10 ml that's available as a travel spray. There's a 50 ml, and then there's also 100 ml. So this is what it looks like. And let me grab just like a sheet of paper really quick. I'm gonna spray it on the paper first and then spray it on myself. So I'm just taking that beautiful top off. Okay. Love the spray too. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, so far I'm happy that I blind bought this. Yeah, this is it has a really pretty opening. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it on myself now. There's no going back now. Yeah, this is a very, if you love, I did a collection of my favorite fruity floral fragrances, and I'll have that card linked up here somewhere. But if you love fruity florals, this is an easy no-brainer blind buy. I am gonna let this sit on my skin for a little bit and then see exactly how the dry down is, and I'll come back and give you guys my final take on it. But my first impressions is I absolutely like it. It's a very easy fragrance to like. I don't think it's very complicated at all. To me, it does not. I know it's part of the Eden Juicy line, which I think is just their take on like juicy, fruity fragrances. But it doesn't smell like Eden Juicy Apple at all to me. It is just a very, I smell the lychee, I smell the sugar vanilla. It's just a really pretty, happy, light fragrance with a little bit of champagne added to it. It is, to me, I know in Mona's video, she does decoding videos and gives you all the information on the actual fragrance. So I would definitely highly recommend checking out her fragrance. And I think she mentioned that it's like the older sister of the Juicy Eden Apple, and I would absolutely agree. This is like the more sophisticated version of a fruity floral fragrance. So yeah, this is, and can I just say one thing about Mona really quick? I mentioned this when I did my fruity floral fragrance video, but I do want to say she just seems like the absolute sweetest person on the planet. I have had interactions with her just like commenting as any other viewer would. And she just always says the sweetest things. And I've always thought, is this really her replying? Is it an AI? Is there somebody else behind it that like sounds like her, writes like her? Because she just seems like a very personable person, seems very friendly, open, and just somebody who wants to make sure that the world smells better one fragrance at the time. I just love her. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money. You can get this at a bunch of different retailers. I picked it up at Sephora. And yeah, I think it smells really, really good. I'm happy that I have it in my collection. I do want to spray Juicy Eden Apple and just see if I can see if there's any similarities between the two. Okay, so I grabbed Eden Juicy Apple. You can see the packaging. They are the exact same. They're so cute and they're so pretty together. So and you can tell that this is a well-loved fragrance. I'm already down, probably have about like a fourth left of it. I really, really like this fragrance a lot. So I just want to spray it. Yeah, oh my goodness. This to me, if you do not own this, I know we're talking about the lychee one, but if you do not own this and you love fruity, juicy, fruity fragrances, this is your girl. You need this in your collection. This adds happiness to every single thing that you add it to. I love this so much. And I even spray this on top of Baccarat just to add that little bit of extra fruitiness and happy. So yeah, I don't think that they smell similar at all. I feel like they have like the same type of DNA. They give you the same overall feeling when you spray them, which is like happy, energized, put you in a feel-good mood, but they don't smell alike to me. This is definitely the more elevated version, and this is, you know, the teenage version, but fragrances are not for any specific age. This is just like how I'm relating them to you guys. So hopefully you get the same type of vibes and feelings from it. But I'm absolutely in love with both of them. I think the lychee comes through strong on this one, and I love blackcurrant fragrances. So if you like fruity fragrances, you will definitely love this one. I am going to give this a minute to sit on my skin, and then I'll be back and let you know exactly how I feel once this has had a chance to dry down. Okay, I'm back. I've had a chance to let this sit on the skin and I still absolutely love it. The dry down is not as sweet. I would say it's a little bit more powdery, but I really, really, truly like it. And while I was waiting for this to dry down, I just went in my closet and I started spraying other fragrances and trying to see what I thought would pair really nice with it, because I know when I'm looking for fragrances, I want to know what should I be layering with this. And my numero uno choice would be Bath and Body Works Champagne Toast. I mean, look at the packaging. They look like they were meant for one another. Definitely this, because what I like about Bath and Body Works products is the fact that you can get the shower gel, you can get the lotion, you can get the body spray, and then you top it off with this. And it just gives you longevity when you're wearing your fragrance. So this is combo number one. Combo number two, just another fragrance to pair it with. I think Burberry Her. If you love fruity floral fragrances, you probably already own this right here. And these two definitely pair nicely with one another. And a last one that I haven't heard anybody else speak about, but it would be Stella McCartney Pop. These two smell really nice together. These just give you extra bursts of fruitiness, happiness, just pleasurable things to smell. I'm not really like a strong vanilla girl. I'm not really strong on airy scents or anything like that, so I can't give you any information on those. But if you love fruity floral fragrances and you just want to smell good, I think some of these combos may work out for you. And definitely let me know if you guys have tried this fragrance. What is your opinion on it? But I definitely love it. I'm happy that I bought it, and I'm so happy to have this in my collection. I almost forgot I need to announce the giveaway winners. So I did a Brandon Blackwood unboxing, and in that video, I let you guys know that there was going to be a giveaway because we reached 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. And the winner is going to get a Coach wristlet. So I had a total of 26 comments. So right now I'm on random number generator. So let's see what number they're going to give us. Number 7. So make sure you guys can see that. Number 7. So let's see who is the 7th commenter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Gabby 4014, you are the lucky winner. Once again, that is Gabby 4014. And I will try and contact you and get this out to you tomorrow. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching, supporting this channel, and I will catch you in the next one.